at you. Your ears are all folded into your cone. Come here. Look at your, where are your ears? Bring me your ear. Oh. Oh my god.
TikTok said you guys like eggs. Who wants an egg? Oh. Take it, bud. It's not a popsicle. Where are you going with that? Oh my god, she's peeing with the egg in her mouth!
I'm coming, Daisy. Where are you? Last second of the video, she's gonna come up. Right here. Here she goes. Here she is. The Daisy. Why'd you take my whole finger like that?
If you have a dog, take over the territory and see what happens.
Moving right along in search of good times and good moves with good friends.
I'm a kitty, never really busy. I love catnip, but it makes me frisky. You know my mood is always tricky, but I'm silly. Yeah, I'm a kitty. Wow.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Are you just underneath the covers, just chilling? Good morning.
엄마! Beep, 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 beep. Down. Down. Head down.
Is this funny? I'ma smack your grandma when I see you.
How to find out if your cat or kitten is a cat. Step 1. Find box. Open it. Let her investigate. If she sits, she may or may not fit, but she'll still sit. She's a cat.
Wait a minute.
Trying to wash your hands? You gotta turn the water on.
What? What do you think you're doing? No. No. No.
Oh no, wait.
Oh, hello! Hello! Hello!
That's it. You're no longer allowed to sleep on this bed because all you do is lay here 24 hours a day and don't do anything. I even bought you a ball and you don't even play with it.
you just had a shower. This little cute thing. Oh my god, you look so pretty. You look so pretty and thick. Let's look at your behind. Shake it for us.
Excuse me, miss. Excuse me. Hey, excuse me. Can you stop being so cute?
This Carter? What is it? Is it a present for you? What is it? Let him open it. What is it?
Go.
Good boy.
Go.
Good boy. Oh! Who's your best friend?
Anyone who says they dislike cats has obviously never snuggled up with a cat and had it purr on your chest as you pet it for so long that you both fall asleep and all your anxieties melt away and the only thing you care about is your fragile feline friend.
For everybody who thinks my dog is really scary and that he's not trained and that he's a bad boy, which you're not, I'm gonna feed my big, scary, aggressive dog the tiniest treat in the world. Wait. Very easy. Oh wow! Ow! He bit me so hard! Oh my god!
If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, say meow.
When little Russian lady crawl into your lap, she tucks her noodle sticks into her potato. She gets very small actually. Then Nora punched me in the face.
Tebbles, you have not been here in almost 2 weeks. You know how worried I was about you? You can't do that to me. You can't do that. I see you brought your chillins. Look, there's your little children's. There's one of them. Hi, I missed you. Hi. Let me get you some cat food, okay?
Hi.
Jealous pet challenge. Whenever your dog is in another room or just isn't paying attention, act like you see something so adorable and see how they react.
Oh my god, it's so cute! Look how little it is!
Cause baby, I didn't. That should be me.
What is that? What is it doing? Oh no! Where are your poops going? It's eating them! Oh no! It's okay.
That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog. He never used a messy recipe. The cake will end up crazy. If you do the cooking by the book, then you'll have. Break it down, bitch. Let me see you back it up. Drop that ass down. Don't make no sense.
Yeah. Oh, what you doing with that? Yeah.
Just because I didn't give you a soup does not mean that you get to piss in front of the litter box in front of me to be a dick. Not okay. Look at his guilty ass. You asshole.
Hell no, to the no, no, no. Hell to the no, hell to the no, to the no, no, no. Hell.
This is my cat Jimmy Neutron. I paid $5 for him. He plays fetch with tortillas.
Hey, 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 hey. Jackie, Jackie, Jackie. Baila Jack. Hey, 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 hey. Jackie, Jackie, Jackie. Happy, 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 happy.
¡Qué hermoso, Canek! Muy bien portada, Nala. Hola, Draco precioso.
Stop, stop. This is not yours. No, stop, stop. Miss, no. Stay. No. Dad, no. Stop, no. You just had breakfast. I just fed you. No, no, no. Why do you act like you don't be fed? Why do you act like you're starved? You have food. This is mine. You're lactose intolerant.
Tell me when.
You two are staying inside. No. I know you want to go say hi.